Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Hi, today we're going to try and make bubble paintings. Miss Hazel and I love bubbles. It's super fun and we like to blow bubbles kind of every day after school. But now we're going to paint them. So I have my watercolors. This is some watercolors from home. We're also going to use these metallic watercolors that I've never used before. Hopefully they're good. We're going to wake up our paint.
Hello, paint. Wake up.
I know, it's very tired and dried out. So I have here some watercolor paper. That will be our circle to make the bubbles. We have our paint, and I also have a cup with water in it. And something interesting about this cup is I made it.
No way.
Yeah. This was from my ceramics class when I was learning how to throw.
So you're an artist.
Well, I'd like to try things out, as we're going to see right now, because I haven't tried this yet. In the tray of watercolors, when I'm mixing colors, there's always paint left in there that I don't actually clean up very often. So I'm getting that wet. And then I'm going to put this little glass in here and see, and then we're going to put it on here. So there's a little bit of paint. I don't know if you can see that. A little bit of a circle of paint.
Could you use any circle, Miss Kate?
Oh yeah, you could do big ones. I just had this that seemed like a good size for this paper that we're going to use. I'm going to go over here and we're going to try some of the metallic paint. So that's what we're doing today. We're experimenting on, does this really work? I don't know if this paint's going to stick to this glass. We're going to find out. Okay, so the next part we're going to do, move that over here, is I'm going to get my paintbrush wet again, clean it up, tap off some of the water in that, and then we're going to blend in some of that paint that I just put on there. We'll leave space so it looks like a light has hit it. Because you know, if you look at a bubble, you can see the light. Yeah. I may have to add a little bit more paint to this too.
Sometimes you see rainbows too.
Yeah. Which is why I thought the the metallics would work really well for this. Oh yeah, we've got a lot of color on that now.
Good. Nice. Could be planets.
So sometimes when we try things out, we just have to say, we just go with it. Oh, that one actually looks better. Okay, I'm gonna try I'm adding some blues in there too, just to see what happens there. But it's really okay just to experiment. Try things out. If you see something on a video that you want to try out, or you see
sometimes
some
we
others
see
doing
things
stuff
and we think, how did they make that?
Yes.
And then we play around with our version of how do we make that.
Exactly. That's what we're doing today.
Yeah.
How can we make this happen? I did watch someone, I didn't watch him, I saw his paintings. They look, oh my gosh, they were amazing at bubbles. Because once you start looking at bubble things, you can see lots of people making bubbles. Okay, I think this will be our last one for today, or for now. And I'll keep working on this, and maybe one day I'll show you how many more bubbles I made.
Whoa, Miss Kate, that's really pretty.
They're very fun. Okay, so there you have it. That's making bubbles out of paint. We did use watercolor paper, but you could use construction paper too. That would be fine. Whatever you have at home.
Hey, if you try it at home, let us know if it works.
Yeah, that would be really great. You could always send us a message through Instagram or through our website. Let us know that you tried any of the things that we make. We'd love to see your photos. All right. Thanks everyone for coming. We'll see you soon.